Dobre utra, good morning. I have just moved to Moscow. I've been living here for what, a week now, and I haven't really done much apart from move in. So today, let's go and find out together what it's like. How much does it cost getting around Moscow? I won't be talking about apartment prices and utility bills, just purely going on the metro, the tram, the bus, and so on. And let's find out together, because I don't know. And I thought it'd be interesting to do a comparison, really, to see how much it costs from, you know, living in London to living in Moscow. And obviously there's economical differences, but it'd just be interesting to know. And just for all the Russians, you know, pestering me for what, 4 videos, maybe 5 videos, I've bought some new boots. I finally threw away my trainers and bought some proper winter boots, which is ironic because I believe we're officially leaving the winter season in about 2 weeks. So that's funny. These boots cost me Pyaterochka ruble. Anyway, let's go. One thing I like about the Russian metro is that it has good security. So I wonder if I'll be stopped because I have a backpack on. Let's see. Right, so one train, I'm guessing that means one train, 2 trains. So essentially, one ride is 90 rubles, unlimited. And for 1 year, it's £250. Here's a man being stopped by the security, and they're checking his bag, which is standard procedure. Right, I'm outside finally. I wanted to record down there, but I didn't realise how extremely loud it would be down there. I have no idea where I am. I'm actually at Ulica Akademika Yangelia, and I've realised I've probably exited the metro at the wrong point because no one is here, and as you can see, there isn't anything around. But yeah, I wanted to record inside the metro, but because of the noise, you wouldn't be able to hear what I'm saying at all. So I need to buy a special microphone, a DJI 2 microphone or something for my camera, so you can actually hear me in places that is very loud. So there's an app called Yandex Go in Russia, and it's practically got everything you need. Destination, let's go to the next stop on the metro, which was Perekrestok. So I'm a 15-minute bus journey. I need to cross the road to that bus station. Is it possible to do that the way I'm going? Let's have a look here. If not, I'll have to go back down to the metro. Right, we're going to turn around and go back down there. How much do you reckon the ticket will cost in the bus? The ticket to use the metro was 90 rubles, and you can pretty much get on at any point in the metro and get off at any point. So you could go from one end to the other for 90 rubles, which is pretty cool. And I believe you can buy a Troika card, which is the Russian version of an Oyster card. So yeah, anyway, let's get on this bus. It's pretty difficult to get lost in the Russian metro because everything's numbered. So saying that, I just got lost and I had to go from back to front, but I'm just saying. Here is the bus. Here is the bus. Right. I guess I'll follow these guys. Извините, я не знаю. Вот. Да?
Держи. Не убирай.
Извините, я не...
I really had no idea what was going on. I was holding my card to the reader properly, so I don't know what was happening. However, I did see 2 to 3 other people have the same problem as myself. So, what really went wrong here?
Следующая остановка – Варшавское шоссе, дом 150.
Right, I'm off the bus. And I didn't pay for a ticket. I didn't mean to. But I hope now that Rosgvardia, the Russian Rosgvardia, don't come and beat me up because I didn't pay for my ticket. I didn't understand how to do it. There's even other people on the bus who was confused and they were Russian. So, but I think you have to hold your card this way, not that way. But I'm unsure. So I'll put the price for a ticket on the screen right now. Sorry about that. Hey, look, I'm learning. But anyway, I don't know where I am. I think I'm in Pyaterochka. If I got off at the correct stop, I'm in Pyaterochka, and I want a eclairI chocolate. So I will buy one. And let's see how much it costs. This is like the average commuter experience, buying a hot coffee on the way to work or a hot chocolate on the way to work. There's no one here. Coffee prices here, look. Можно мне, пожалуйста, горячий шоколад? Обычно. 0,4, пожалуйста. Do I get a cake? Do I get a cake?
Что еще?
Можно eclair, шоколадный тоже. Спасибо.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция – Чертановская.
I'll give this hot chocolate, you know what, I'm quite happy with it, a 7 out of 10. And you may be wondering, why am I not eating the chocolate eclair that I bought? Well, that's for Kat. That is not for me. Do I know that she likes eclairs? Absolutely not. I hope she does, because I've spent my money on it, but you never know. But yeah, overall, 315 rubles for a large hot chocolate and a snack, basically. I think that's quite good. But anyway, let's pop into Pyaterochka and check out the price differences. Because one thing I have noticed, I've only been here a week, but my baked beans that I buy, or that I did buy, are like 30 rubles extra here. I buy this one.
Here is my favorite minced chicken in the whole of Russia, and the price is the same as where I used to live. Where's the vodka that I like? This one.
in England. We have that one in England. And it's there for like £4. Mayonnaise, 9, yeah, not really any difference there. Pint of Amstel for like 60p.
And here you can get 10 eggs for 95p. It's crazy to me because in England, I think 6 eggs is 300 rubles. And I know for a fact that these eggs at the bottom here are even cheaper.
That Pyaterochka gets a 0 from me. No beans. No beans. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Time to get on the tram and see how much that costs us because, well, I didn't realise this, but the tram in Moscow is quite a occasionally used piece of transport. I know that we do have trams in Manchester and Nottingham, but yeah, just very interesting. At least I just have to find the correct tram stop, which I believe I haven't. Well, I just have no idea where it is. Is that it there? I think that's a tram stop. Has to be. It is, it is. I have no idea if I've just paid twice there, but I thought you meant to like tap it as you get on and tap it as you leave. But look how beautiful this church looks in front of me. Wow. Anyway guys, I'm gonna have to cut the video there. Unfortunately, the battery for my camera is dying and I'm trying to save up to buy a new one. My camera has died, the battery's completely gone. I haven't been recording for that long, but I'm trying to save up to buy a new camera, sorry, a new battery for my camera. And they're about £50, and I'm also trying to save up for a better laptop to improve my content because I can only practically record one video and upload it at one time because my laptop just doesn't have the capability to handle multiple videos and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to support me, you can do so by, there's a super thanks button now. I'm now monetized on YouTube, and also you can buy me a coffee. Links will be in the description below. Every penny will be supporting my channel and improving the quality of my videos. So if you'd like to do so, feel free. No pressure, of course. But yeah, the video didn't go as planned. I was expecting it to go a little bit more smoothly. I was expecting to buy a bus ticket and see the price, but I'll put that all on the screen right now and you can see for yourself how much it costs. Is Moscow cheap to get around? From my perspective, yes, but I'm not a Russian, so the Russians can tell us in the comment sections below how much the prices has increased. But for now, let's get back into my apartment. And if Kat's home, we'll give her chocolate eclair. Open it up.
Where did you buy it?
Is it good?
No, I think so.
I bought it from Smell Coffee. Or is there chocolate in it?
No.
Is it chocolate cream? Do you not like chocolate cream?
No.
Oh.
I said I hope it's not chocolate.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. But
Actually, it's tasty.
it's tasty. Okay.
Really sweet.
Yeah,
I prefer normal one.
Такой сладкий.
Очень сладкий.
Тебе не понравилось.
Мгм.
Я буду плакать сейчас. Bin? Мусор?
Нет, я съем.
So you will eat it?
Да.
Oh.